All we actually have to do is in lighting, we have to insert a so-called sky, and in the sky we have a bunch of different textures we can change. There should be about 6, and we have starboards, back, down, front, left, right, up. And we can change all of these images. We can replace them with asset IDs, but I could just copy some random image. Then I can paste the asset ID for it, and oh yep, there it starts to replace one. And we can just do that for all. And now this looks like this. We can also actually replace the moon texture ID and the sun texture ID with these properties, but which mean not actually having prepared any textures for this video that we'll do. I'm sure if you actually had to spend the time to create some adequate textures for your sky, you could actually make something else in a fever dream, but I didn't. So yeah, that's how you can modify sky parts of Roblox Studio. Perfect.